Welcome. In front of me I have REALME 8 Pro, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We will check how fast this feature works on the smartphone and if it is reliable. So I just enroll my face, and right now we can simply start with the test. So let's go, let's make a few tries. Whoa, as you can see, it works really fast. I can even say that it's definitely faster than the fingerprint sensor than you can find in the display in the smartphone. Whoa, it works really good. So definitely I can recommend you this kind of the protection. And that's it. So that's how the face unlock works on the REALME 8 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.